eziyiqhumane zizoqhonyiswa kuphela sekusele imizuzu eyi-15 singene enyakeni omusha kuphinde kumiswe emva kwemizuzu eyi-15 lishayile ele-12.
In terms of the city bylaws, fireworks can be used between 12 midnight to 12:15. Then if you use fireworks after that, that will be against the law. If police found you doing so, will prosecute you accordingly, and the fine of 2,500 can be issued.
Umphakathi uyexwayiswa ukuthi uqhumise iziqhumane ngokucophelela nokuthi uqaphele izilwane.
We were receiving a number of complaints ranging from the issues of dogs that are all over because they are running away from cricket, cases where people are using fireworks without considering the precautions, safety precautions. Those are where most of the challenges we are facing. We're advising people if they will use fireworks, they have to ensure that they use it or they apply them in a safety manner that does not affect other people, does not affect animals as well.
UNonkululeko uyaqala ukuba nomdlwane kanti uthi bobabili sebekulungele ukungena enyakeni omusha kanye nomsindo weziqhumane.
Yeah, it's just to be considerate, considering ukuthi we're having fun, but we must be very considerate of them. You need to give them, apparently you have to give them a Calmex.
Abanikazi bezilwane zasekhaya nezifuyiwe bayanxuswa ukuba bayivikele nokuthi bazinike imishanguzo efanele yokwehlisa uvalo ngalesi sikhathi.